In this video, we'll be sharing our experience to plan trip to Shimla. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe for the latest videos. Shimla, which is famously known as Queen of Hills, has been a popular hill station destination and capital city to Himachal Pradesh. During British rule, Shimla was a summer capital. It is famous for its cold climate and attracts tourists in summers. There is no particular season to visit Shimla. Tourists flock here all the year round. During winter, people come here to enjoy snow games. Temperature here in summer ranges from 19 degrees centigrade to 23 degrees centigrade, while in winters it can drop up to -4 degrees centigrade. While Shimla is well connected by rail, roads and airways, the best way to experience the beauty of Shimla is by travelling in toy train, which runs between Kalka and Shimla. We have covered our to and fro journey in toy train and the links are provided in the description below. If you are travelling from Delhi in bus, it will cost you around 1000 rupees per side. Toy train charges from Kalka ranges from 65 to rupees 650 depending on the train and class. Flight charges to Shimla are mostly on the upper side of 5000. Once in Shimla, you can choose among multiple stay options from hostel, hotels, homestay and resorts. Prices of these accommodations ranges from rupees 500 to rupees 15,000. For our trip, we chose a homestay of 2 BHK which had all the amenities and costed us around rupees 2500 per day. Most of the people prefer staying near the mall road as it is very near to many tourist destinations like the Ridge, Church, Jhaku Temple and of course the mall road. The best way to experience Shimla is by bus or taxis. The taxi rates start from rupees 2000 and can go till up to rupees 10,000 for a full day, depending on the type of vehicle and the distance to travel. We can also hire bikes on daily rent basis. The rent may go up to 1500 per day. Friends, Shimla is a holiday destination where one can plan to stay from 2 days to 1 week to cover all the places. We have already added a video of list of places that can be seen in and across Shimla. The link to that video is given in the description below. Now, what to eat? Shimla offers a wide range of variety of foods to cater the needs of all tourists. You can find all type of Indian foods, famous for Chinese foods, and you can also treat your tongue with the local Himachali delicacies like madra, dal, etc. Foods that are available on streets are pani puri, chole bhature, bun chole, corn, often known as bhutta, and pakoras. If you are planning to travel in winter, then do carry heavy woolens, while in summer, normal cotton clothes will suffice. If you need any further information, then you can ask us in comment section and be sure to like and share our videos. We'll be next adding a travelogue to Haridwar. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.